Okay, I'm gonna make a video here. I don't really know what happened. I came yesterday and I thought my boxer went from brindle to black and white. Maybe he got albinism or something. But I don't know. This dog, I found my boxer, so I don't know. Somehow, this dog made it into my house. I don't know what happened. But anyways, I go through my routine in the morning, getting the dogs out and whatever. This dog has no manners. It's an 8-month-old puppy. Oh, you can look the stupid face, huh? Alright. I have a prong collar on him just as a corrective device. I'm not gonna be yanking and cranking on this dog. I'm gonna let him relieve himself, and then we're gonna do a little baiting techniques to mark behaviors. A simple heel, sit, and maybe come. Who knows? Right now he's just sniffing the ground. I'm gonna do like a 5-minute session in a few seconds. I just need him to go pee, and of course he's hacking his leg. Let me get him to pee, and then when we do the video on YouTube, I'll just fast forward. Go poop. He already peed. I'm just letting him be whatever he wants to do. I want him to pee up his first. This dog, I'm hoping, will be in my house only 30 to 45 days. However, for me to get him adopted, I'm gonna have to do some basics on him. Heel, sit, come, down, stay, wait, and maybe stand. I like stand. I might teach him place, but that's a little more advanced. And who knows, maybe I go off-leash training on him because I have 30 to 45 days with him. I don't know, but the minimum I expect is heel, sit, come, down, stay, wait. That's it. That should make most pet dogs right there. Stand is awesome for vets. You know, you tell your dog to stand. Anyways, look at this dog. He doesn't know any commands. Okay, look, sit. Did he sit? No. Did I say down? No. I hope you can see it on the camera. I'm gonna say come. No. Clyde, come. Clyde, come. Clyde, come. He's not coming to me. So this is the baseline. Alright? This is what I'm dealing with for 30 to 45 days. I don't know how the hell this dog got into my house. But I think he came for help. And I will give him the help. If I have to do a Voltamine melt, so be it. Alright? So I'm gonna hold my leash. You know, he's not pooping, he already peed, so let's train, okay? I'm gonna hold my leash properly. I will have one hand free for a few treats, right? And here we go. Marking behavior, marking behavior. Heel, heel. Give ears, no. Heel. I'm gonna put, there you go, good, heel, heel. No, heel. There you go, good, heel. He's getting something tasty, huh? Heel, heel. Now we're gonna mark the behavior of SIT. Look how easy this is. Look how easy this is. With his nose. Don't give up. Heel. Let's give it a shot again. This guy's in a little bit. Sit. Good sit. Good sit. If baiting doesn't work, compulsion always works. Compulsion is nothing but me pushing his rump a little bit down. Alright? Good boy. You know, if baiting doesn't work, just use your toolbox. Anyways, let's go with the heel again. Heel. No. Heel. No. Heel. No. Heel. No. No. The collar is going to correct it for sniffing the ground, okay? Usually you want to actually do this kind of session first in undistracted surfaces, like indoors. I don't have that luxury here. I got distractions all over the place, but we still train. Alright? Heel. Good. Heel. he's gonna get annoyed by the yanking, okay? I'll give you that, alright? Let's go. Heel. Heel. You're seeing how difficult this is on the very first day. Don't get frustrated. Heel. Sit. There you go. Good sit. Good sit. Good boy. Maybe he responds better to the Mr. Herbert voice. Let's see.
Hey, martial arts. How you doing? Huh? You cold? Would you like popsicles? Let's get you popsicles here.
Oh, he jumped on me. No. Oh. Sit. That should be a scary moment for an 8-month-old puppy. Vicious Pit Bull.
Here. Hey, martial arts. Let's go here. There you go. Martial arts.
No.
Here. Here.
I corrected him because I want to give him a treat, right?
Here.
No.
There you go. Let's go for success. Let's go for success.
I'm putting a piece of hot dog under his throat. Let him excite me. Let him excite me.
Good boy. Good boy. Heel.
Sit. There you go. I'm having to use a little compulsion. Well, so be it. Dog is being trained. I like to do baiting techniques, lure rewards. You know what? I still use food as a reward. Thing is, the dog is trained. Some people go into lure rewards only, doesn't work. Some people go into yanking crank, doesn't work. Well, see what works for the dog. Use different methods. Here. Use creepy voice also. Here.
Let's go, martial arts.
Here. 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 Marky with him. Here. Sit. Good sit. Good sit. Good boy. That's a good sit. He's sad using baiting now. Good boy. Okay. Now he can do whatever he wants when I say okay. Alright? Now, let's go and teach him the recall, right? He doesn't know what come means, right? His name is Clyde. Well, in dog training, you never use a dog's name except for when you're gonna use a recall. Reason being is because every time he hears his name, I want him to get excited because he's gonna get something really pleasant and he's coming to me. I'm phrasing, by the way. Freaking cold today. Anyways, so let me go and go to the end of the leash, 5 feet away, right? All right. He's peeing. So I'm gonna go, Clyde, come. Oh, he didn't come, right? Come. Sit. There you go. Good sit. Good boy. Let's try it again. Okay. Heel, sit, come. That's my foundation. Clyde, come. Come. There you go and sit. There you go. Good boy. Good boy. Okay. Every time I come to Mr. Clean, he's very excited. I hear my name, Mr. Clean is calling me, and I come to him, and he has a lot of rewards, and he even gives me a piece of hot dog. Oh, great. This is so cool. Heel. the leash. Clyde, come. See how I didn't even have to do anything? Sit. No, he's a little bit too short.
Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Very much, Leon. Want a piece of hot dog? There you go.
And I'm gonna end this as a success. He actually came to me. So this is like a 5-minute session. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I'm freezing.